characteristics of polynomial functions. So you're very familiar with linear functions, which are the straight lines. Those will have a degree of 1. So if you look at the x, notice that the exponent, remember these are understood ones, you don't write them, so they have a degree of 1. Other polynomial functions that have a degree of 2 or higher, those are going to be like your x squareds and your x cubes. They're going to be smooth. It says rounded curves, no sharp edges, continuous. What they mean by continuous is if you put your pencil down and you start, you can draw it without picking your pencil up. So that's another way that you can tell. Same thing here. If I put my pencil on here and I trace this, you can draw the entire graph without picking up your pencil. So that's how you also, the way that you know that it's a polynomial function. So it won't have any breaks. It won't have any, splits in between it. You'll be able to draw it. Now, some of these polynomial functions get really weird where you don't know how far up they go or how far up they down. But just know the idea is it's going to be smooth. It's going to have rounded curves, no sharp edges, and continuous. I gave you f of x equals x squared and f of x equals x cubed because I want you to get used to memorizing that x squared is the parabola and then x cubed almost looks like an S. And then the higher up you go, you're going to notice that the even ones, where they have an even degree, they're going to be either up or down. And then when they have an odd degree, the ends are going to go opposite each other. Okay? That's what I want you to remember as we go through this. And that's why I'm going to do a video on the graphs of the basic functions so you can see what does x squared looks like, what does x cubed look like, what is x, the graph of x looks like, what is the graph of the absolute value of x, the square root of x. Like I want you to get those in your mind, start to get those memorized so that when you see them, you automatically know what the graph is going to look like.